Are you searching for a free VPN with unlimited data? Want to browse privately, unblock websites, and stay secure online without spending a penny? You're in the right place. No data caps, no limits. Just secure and private browsing anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. 1. Proton VPN Free. Proton VPN Free is one of the most trusted VPNs, and the best part, it offers unlimited free data. No speed limits, no bandwidth caps. Let me walk you through the key features that will amaze you. Proton VPN Free gives you unlimited data. Browse as much as you want, anytime. It has servers in 3 countries, US, Netherlands, and Japan. With its no-logs policy, your data stays private. Plus, there are no ads. Enjoy an ad-free experience, even on the free plan. How to get Proton VPN Free? Go to the official Proton VPN website. Download the app for Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. Sign up for a free account. No payment required. Once set up, you get instant unlimited browsing without restrictions. Next is Turbo VPN, offering free unlimited VPN proxy services with fast and stable connections. Key features. Turbo VPN Free provides unlimited free data, stream, download, and browse endlessly. It has fast VPN servers, connect instantly without slowdowns. With one-tap connect, it's super easy to use for beginners. It also supports multiple platforms, Android, iOS, and more. How to get Turbo VPN Free? Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Turbo VPN and download the app. Open the app and tap Connect. No sign-up required for free unlimited browsing. 3. X-VPN Free. Finally, X-VPN offers a free plan with unlimited data and strong encryption for secure browsing. Key features. X-VPN Free gives you unlimited data. Use as much as you want. It supports multiple protocols for bypassing geo-blocks. It offers fast connection speeds, ideal for streaming and browsing. Plus, it's available on all devices, Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. How to get X-VPN Free? Go to the official X-VPN website. Download the app for your preferred platform. Choose the free plan for unlimited browsing, no sign-up needed. Which VPN should you choose? Proton VPN Free is perfect for ad-free unlimited browsing with privacy in mind. Turbo VPN Free is the fastest unlimited VPN for streaming and simple use. X-VPN Free is great for unblocking websites and bypassing geo-restrictions. Which free VPN with unlimited data will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who need free unlimited VPNs, and subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more free internet tips, VPN, and cybersecurity tutorials. But before we go, as you know, free VPNs do have their own limitations. So disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. We do not support or encourage any illegal activities or unauthorized use of VPN services. Please make sure you read and understand the terms and conditions of each VPN provider and follow your country's laws when using these services. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.